Yo, Macroholics, how's it going? This is Hallie. I'm here to talk about our friend, the scale. Not the body weight scale, the food scale. We have lots of scales, but this is the one we're talking about today. So a lot of people just ask us, especially people that are new to the program, people that like myself, like I eat out all the time. So I oddly don't use this a whole lot, but for people that eat at home, make their own recipes, do a lot of snacks and stuff like that, they have to use the scale a lot. So when you're new to a food scale, it can be kind of overwhelming because there's like buttons and numbers and percentages and question marks and calculus. So I'm gonna kind of go over that with you guys. So if you start by turning it on, so this is the scale I have. It's on our Amazon list. It's filthy and it's my husband's fault. So just pretend that that's what's happening. So it's on our Amazon list if you want it. I've had like a million different scales and this is far and away my favorite one. Partly because it's like sturdy. Like it's not gonna like fall over when you're trying to weigh stuff, or like I can put my whole pan that I cooked my recipe on and it'll hold it. I can still see the front because some of the ones that you have that are flat, when you put something heavy or big on it, it covers up the screen so you can't see it. So I really like this one. Anyway, you can use whatever scale you want, but this is mine. So when you start it, turn it on, then you can, for instance, if you're gonna put something heavy on there, and then say this is your pan, and then you're gonna weigh how much ground beef you put in it. So when you've got it all on there, then you're gonna tear it out, and that's gonna give you the 0. It works better if you're not using your hand. Let me get something, hold please. So, say you want to eat some cereal, and you look on the serving size and it says 1 cup. So you're like, I mean, how do I do that? Because I have a scale and I wanna weigh my food. How do I weigh it if it's in a cup? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the nutrition facts and look right next to where it says 1 cup, it says 42G. That is the amount of 1 cup serving in grams for this product. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bowl, you're gonna put it on your scale. Then you pour the cereal in there and it's, nope, you gotta tear it out. So that's what tear is, 0 it out. So now you can take your cereal, you can pour 42 grams into your bowl to where 42 shows up on your screen, and then you can log it. And the good thing is if you've weighed it out and you know 42 grams is 1 cup, then if you scan it in or search for it in MyFitnessPal and the measurement is still 1 cup, that's okay. Because the fact that you measured it out, you know that 1 cup of this product is 42 grams and that's what you've weighed out. So you know you're being completely accurate. Sometimes there'll be an issue where it says, usually if there's a nutrition label, it's gonna be correct in MyFitnessPal, but sometimes when you're weighing raw items like apple, sometimes like that, like there's not gonna be a per gram measurement when you first search. Another trick to do is you can add the word grams to your search in MyFitnessPal, so you can put USDA raw honey crisp apple grams. And then it's gonna show up on the top, and you're gonna wanna find one that when you touch at the top of MyFitnessPal, Gerald put a screen recording, but you can touch on the side that says like 1 apple, and you can touch that and it'll usually say 1 ounce, 1 gram, etc. So you can pick the gram. Then you can cut up your apple, you can weigh as much apple as you want, fit it into your targets perfectly, and then you'll know again that you're being as accurate as possible. If you just log 1 apple, that could be anywhere from 80 to 150 calories, so there's gonna be a wide range there. So the more that you can trim off those excesses on either side, the more accurate you're gonna be, and the more accurate you are, the more food you're gonna get to eat. Because if you can really pinpoint down that accuracy, the scale is just gonna like drop like crazy. So then we can give you more calories, and you can be eating as much food as possible and getting the best results possible, which is what we want for you guys. So that's a little bit of a demo on the scale. If you guys have any questions, you can always text, FaceTime, Facebook message, send a smoke signal, do a dance. I don't know. We're always here to help you. We love helping you guys. I know when you haven't in the past, this can be kind of an overwhelming thing. Like I have to take this like a measurement with me everywhere and weigh all my food, and it can feel really overwhelming, but I promise once you get the hang of it, once things make sense, it's really just like you don't even think about it. It's like second nature. So if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. We'd be happy to help you, and I hope you guys have an amazing new year, and let's crush some goals.